Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a table setting in the color scheme of red, silver, and black. So most of the items came from the Dollar Tree, which is my favorite place, as you may well all know if you follow my channel. And I'm going to go through and show you what I used to create this table setting. And I will put a link below for all the other items that I did not get from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so let's get started. The very first thing that I used was my black tablecloth. Now I already had this tablecloth. It's a polyester tablecloth and it is for an 8-foot table. And of course you can get them any sizes, but I do like this one and I'll put a link below of where I got it from. Alright, next thing I have are my black chair sashes. I'm sorry, my black chair covers. And these are the nylon chair covers, so they do have the part on the bottom right here that hooks so that they don't slide. So these are like my new favorite chair covers because they're so easy to put on, and again they don't slide. And on the back of my chair covers I have my red blingy sequin chair sash, and this has the sequins on the back right here, and then the front is just like a regular nylon. And I like that because your guests won't, you know, snag their clothes when they're sitting in a chair. So I do like that. And what else do we have? All right, next we have my Dollar Tree silver chargers. And as far as my chargers, like I pretty much stick to silver and the gold from the Dollar Tree because you can mix and match and do all kinds of things with them. So I only buy these. Now the Dollar Tree does have them in different colors, but again, I pretty much just stick to the silver and the gold. On my charger, I have my polyester napkin. I had these already. I used these for a Christmas party like 2 years ago. And then I just have my handmade little napkin rings right here. And you can buy these. So if you don't have time to actually sit and make these, you can buy them, but they are pretty easy to make. And then next on my tablecloth, I have my silver sequin table runner. I like bling, so I pretty much use bling anywhere possible in this table setting. So I have my silver table runner, and then I have my, so actually this piece right here, it's not even a table runner, just so that I can add a little bit more, you know, to add that red color into the table setting. I use this, and you guys, this is actually just like a bling wrap. Yeah, so that's it. And I just used it just to kind of tie everything in as far as like the bling factor. All right, and then I have my Dollar Tree mirror right here on the end. And just to kind of add to it, I just took one of the little roses off my little Dollar Tree bundles and just laid it there. And then I have my little tea lights right here. And then moving along, we have the Dollar Tree jar. I didn't fill it up, but once I filled it up with water, I'll go ahead and, you know, add this in here. And they are the water, like once you drop these in, the water will light them up. So I really do like those. And I have my Dollar Tree jars. Instead of using my normal like silver bling wrap, I use black. And then I have my candle here. And then next I have my other candle right here, and it's wrapped in the red bling. And then I have that attached to the Dollar Tree candlestick holder. Here's another jar, and if you can tell, I did mix up the jars. So some just have like just the round, you know, top here, but then these have like the flare type top here, just to kind of, you know, change things up a little bit. And then the center is my Dollar Tree DIY centerpiece. If you guys haven't seen, if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, then check out my video, because I do have a video on how I made this very pretty and easy centerpiece. And what you can do is actually add a light either in the bottom or actually in the top right here. So you can actually light this thing up if you guys want to add just a little bit more to your centerpiece. And then I just have my continued centerpieces right here just to match the other side. Okay. So once this thing is all lit up, it's going to be so pretty with all the candles in the jars. And I like this table setting because to me it's very budget friendly. Like roses or just flowers in general can be expensive, even from the Dollar Tree. I mean, it takes like, you know, a handful of bundles just to kind of make it full. So imagine if I had to actually add flowers to every single vase. You know, it will start to get a little pricey. So depending on your budget, you can actually do a flowerless table setting. So, or you can just do what I just did and just add flowers to the middle centerpiece, and then keep all the other ones just with candles. So I think that just gives it a nice touch. And again, like with all the candles lit, it just kind of lights up the room. All right, if you guys see in the back, unfortunately, you can't buy this from the Dollar Tree. But you can. I haven't tried it yet. I'm actually going to do another video to actually see what it would look like to actually do like a plastic tablecloth backdrop. Now I do that a lot, but I only do that for my kids' birthday parties. To have it for like a fancy, you know, event or wedding, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna give it a try. So you guys better make sure you hit that subscribe button to see how that all kind of pans out. So I'm not quite sure. It'll be a test. But anyway, my backdrop, I have these, and I just mix the colors of, you know, the red and silver sequins. And to be honest, I ran out of my backdrop, and it doesn't really fit. So I do have some empty space on the side. So all I did was took some black, table runners, and just kind of tied it to the ends to kind of hide the poles, all that kind of stuff. So I would actually get like some black backdrops instead and not do this, or I would do it in a more prettier way than what I did here. But as far as just to kind of give you that look of what it would look like of having the black on the ends, that's kind of what it would look like. So overall, I think everything came out pretty nice. And again, this was pretty much budget friendly. You don't have to add, you know, everything I did here. You can mix things up a bit, and you know, that's it. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of these videos, please hit that like button. Or if there's something else you would like to see as far as like my table settings, then please make sure you just put in the comments below, because I do check all of my comments. All right, that is it, you guys. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get notified of all the videos that I post. And again, I will see you, well, actually not see you, but I will talk to you in the next one. Take care, guys.